little short video. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe if you watched this far. So I created this look on my Instagram the other day and I didn't film it, and I was like, why did I not film it? So here we are. I do want to point out two major differences in my makeup today and my makeup in that picture. So in that picture, I didn't have anything on my bottom lash line. Also in that picture, I was wearing a matte foundation, and today I'm wearing a luminous or glowy foundation. So that's the two differences, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.